Greetings on this blessed day. Welcome wonderful learners. Prepare yourselves to embark on a learning journey as we delve into the video discussing understanding institutional corrections and key terminologies in correctional systems. Stay safe, and may you always be blessed. Join me on the Teacher Lumaban YouTube channel for insightful content. This revision maintains the enthusiasm, while refining the tone, to be more professional and engaging.
Commit your way to the Lord, trust also in him, and he shall bring it to pass. Psalm 37 verse 5. Institutional corrections. This term refers to individuals housed in secure correctional facilities. Jail. A jail is a facility designated for the confinement of individuals who are under investigation, awaiting trial, or serving short-term sentences. Jail. This is an old term used to refer to a jail. Corrections. Corrections is the branch of the administration of criminal justice charged with the custody, supervision, and rehabilitation of convicted offenders. It encompasses a combination of public and private services authorized to provide care, custody, and control of individuals accused or convicted of criminal or status offenses. Classification. Classification involves the assignment or grouping of inmates based on factors such as their sentence, gender, age, nationality, health, and criminal records. It also involves coordinating diagnosis, treatment, planning, and execution of treatment programs for individual inmates. Important terminologies. Alcatraz. Alcatraz was a U.S. federal penitentiary located on a small island often referred to as the Rock. It served as a military fortification, military prison, 1868, and federal prison from 1933 to 1963. Alexander Maconochie. Alexander Maconochie was a Scottish naval officer, geographer, and penal reformer known as the father of parole. Alexander Maconochie's basic principles of penology. Punishment should aim at reforming the convict to observe social constraints rather than being vindictive. A convict's imprisonment should involve task-oriented sentences, with release depending on the performance of measurable labor. Auburn Prison. Auburn Prison was constructed in 1816 and opened in 1819. It was the second state prison in New York and was the site of the first execution by electric chair in 1890. It utilized the silent or congregate system. Banishment. Banishment is a historical punishment that requires offenders to leave the community and live elsewhere, often in the wilderness. It originated in ancient times. I can do all things through Christ who strengthens me. Philippians 4 verse 13.
I hope you enjoyed and learned something new from our topic learning guide to criminology, correctional administration. If you learned something from this video, please give this video a thumbs up. Don't forget to share this video with your friends. If you have comments, questions, or suggestions, you can leave a message in the comment section below. Thank you very much for watching my videos. Hoping that we meet again in my next video, and God bless you always. It is the Teacher Lumaban YouTube channel.